here it is, inside, melted off. The 66 Impala. It's a car. We have a lot of stuff inside. 100% honest, I don't even know what all is here, what all is missing. This is a deal that ended up backing out, so we didn't plan on doing anything too crazy, but here we are now having to slap it together and let it go. So we'll probably do what we normally do. Start off with a little time-lapse montage of getting everything cleaned out of it and set up our parts, see what we got, clean it out, vacuum, get down to what's left of floor pans, and then go from there. It looks a little bit ambitious for today. There it is, guys. Nothing too crazy on this one again. It was get everything bolted on for the front. It is solid though. I mean, so the front doors, really good doors. They are just the skins. There's no mechs. There's no glass. There's not door hinges either or latches. So they're just ratchet strapped on for the sake of showing them on. Christian got the floors cleaned out. They are AC floors. You see, quarter was done at one point and needs to be done again. There's Christian. Is that a back glass that's in there? Yeah, that's what I thought. Caprice taillights, which is really cool. Oh, you can't see because it's dark. 12-bolt rear. Does have a good frame. So 12-bolt rear and a good frame is worth everything on this car. This does have a title as well. Before Christian had mentioned we have seats. Christian, do you want to include the seats or have them optional included? Optional included. So one seat is in that pile there, and this is the front seat is in there. It's a split bench. This is the color, and very nice seats. Checking that frame to be 100%. Christian, anything else you can think of worth noting on this?
Not really.
Okay.
It's a car.
It's got four wheels.
It's got four wheels.
I was gonna say we'll have different tires on it, so it'll actually roll. It does steer now. Yeah. This was a power steering car, so it does have that power steering rack in there. Now, like I said, it turns and everything, so I assume it would be good. I don't want to cut the video short until he knows 100% if that
Looks good all the
good.
way over.
I don't think there's any other extra parts for this either. I think we had some little piddly stuff over here. You know, some armrests and seatbelt and some weird stuff. Nothing really worth noting. Missing that cowl there. But pricing TD.
Start off $3,000 or best offer.
All right, 3 are best. The seat.
If we get $3,000 for it, we'll include the seats for another $250.
There you go.
$1,000 set of seats.
So there you go, $32.50 and you get the seats. Most of you guys know where we're at. Those who don't, we are Elk Mound, Wisconsin. We can take payment via wire transfer, PayPal plus 3% fee, because that's what we get charged. Buyer pickup or arrange a shipper. We don't mind working with them, but it is buyer responsibility to line it up. There you have it, folks. It is a cool looking car.